ITCA, Information Management Systems, IMS. Welcome to ITCA, Introduction to Information Management Systems course. In today's fast-moving digital world, information isn't just power, it's the backbone of every organization. And this course is your complete guide to understanding how information is managed, secured, and used to drive success. Why IMS matters. Think about it. Every day, organizations handle massive amounts of data: emails, customer records, financial data, research findings. The list goes on. But here's the problem. Without proper management, information turns into chaos. Decisions become guesswork, opportunities slip away, and security risks skyrocket. This is where Information Management Systems, or IMS, come in. An IMS brings together people, processes, and technology to make sure information flows smoothly, from collection and storage to analysis and decision-making. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a government agency, IMS helps you stay organized, secure, and ahead of the competition. Why this course is important. Now you might be wondering, why should you take this course? Here's why. Information overload. Data is everywhere, but without structure, valuable insights get lost. Decision-making power. The best decisions come from the best information. Data security and compliance. With cyber threats rising, managing data securely is a must. Digital transformation. IMS powers modern tech like AI, cloud, and big data. Career growth. IMS knowledge opens doors in IT, business, research, and beyond. Who this course is for? This course is for students and beginners who want to understand IMS basics. IT professionals eager to expand their tech knowledge. Business leaders and managers looking to make data-driven decisions. Researchers exploring the link between information, technology, and organizations. Learning objectives. By the end of this course, you'll be able to explain what IMS is and why it's so important. Understand the difference between data, information, and knowledge. Explore the key components: people, processes, and technology. Follow the information management lifecycle from start to finish. Evaluate tools and technologies used in IMS. Analyze real-world case studies and practical applications. Recognize future trends like AI and cloud computing. Develop a basic roadmap for implementing IMS in organizations. So are you ready to master information management systems and unlock a world of opportunities? Start this journey today. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you never miss a module. And when you're ready, jump into Module 1, Introduction to Information Management System, to kickstart your learning. This is ITCA, Information Management Systems. Let's get started.